Edmonton, the capital city of the Canadian province of Alberta, stands as a vibrant hub of culture, industry, and natural beauty. Nestled along the North Saskatchewan River, this city has evolved from a bustling trading post into a dynamic metropolis, rich in history and innovation. Its expansive River Valley Park system offers residents and visitors alike a lush refuge amid urban development, providing over 7,400 hectares of parks, trails, and recreational spaces. This extensive green network not only enhances quality of life but also supports diverse ecosystems within city boundaries. Historically, Edmonton's roots trace back to indigenous peoples who inhabited the region for thousands of years, notably the Cree, Métis, and Blackfoot nations. European settlement began in the late 19th century, with the arrival of fur traders and the establishment of Fort Edmonton in 1795, which served as a pivotal center for trade and diplomacy. The city's growth accelerated in the early 20th century, fueled by the burgeoning oil industry and its strategic location as a transportation hub. Today, Edmonton maintains its importance as a center for energy, manufacturing, and technology sectors, contributing significantly to Canada's economic landscape. Culturally, Edmonton boasts a rich tapestry of arts, music, and festivals. The city hosts numerous annual events, including the Edmonton International Fringe Theatre Festival, which is one of the largest of its kind worldwide, attracting performers and audiences from across the globe. The Art Gallery of Alberta and the Royal Alberta Museum showcase a wide array of Canadian and Indigenous art, fostering a deep appreciation for cultural diversity. The city's vibrant music scene spans genres from classical to contemporary, supported by venues like the Winspear Centre and the Edmonton Symphony Orchestra. Education and innovation thrive within Edmonton's academic institutions. The University of Alberta, established in 1908, is renowned for research excellence, particularly in medicine, engineering, and environmental sciences. Its presence fuels a culture of innovation and entrepreneurship, with numerous startups and tech companies emerging in recent years. The city's commitment to education extends to public schools, colleges, and vocational training centers, ensuring a skilled workforce for its expanding industries. Edmonton's culinary scene reflects its multicultural makeup, offering a wide spectrum of dining options that range from traditional Canadian fare to international cuisines. Farmers' markets, such as the City Market downtown, highlight local produce, fostering sustainable practices and supporting regional farmers. The city's craft beer and brewing industry has also gained international recognition, contributing to its lively social scene. Sports play a significant role in Edmonton's community life. The city is home to several professional teams, including the Edmonton Oilers of the NHL and the Edmonton Elks of the CFL. Iconic venues like Rogers Place host not only hockey games but also concerts and large-scale events, energizing the city's nightlife. Moreover, Edmonton's numerous parks and bike trails encourage active lifestyles and outdoor recreation throughout the year. Environmental consciousness is integral to Edmonton's development strategy. Initiatives focus on sustainability, renewable energy, and reducing carbon emissions. The city has invested in green infrastructure, waste reduction programs, and urban forestry projects, aiming to create a resilient and eco-friendly urban environment. its efforts align with Canada's broader commitment to combating climate change and promoting sustainable growth. Edmonton's transportation network is well developed, featuring an extensive bus system, light rail transit, LRT, and well-maintained roadways that facilitate mobility across the metropolitan area. The Edmonton International Airport connects the city to destinations worldwide, supporting both tourism and commerce. As the city continues to expand, investments in infrastructure aim to accommodate future growth while maintaining accessibility and connectivity. The city's diverse communities contribute to a rich social fabric. Neighborhoods like Old Strathcona blend historic charm with modern amenities, while new developments showcase innovative urban planning. Edmonton's commitment to inclusivity and multiculturalism is reflected in numerous cultural centers, community events, and policies fostering social cohesion. In recent years, Edmonton has positioned itself as a leader in sustainability and innovation. Its smart city initiatives leverage technology to improve public services, transportation, and environmental management. By embracing new technologies and engaging its citizens, Edmonton aims to shape a resilient and forward-looking urban environment that balances growth with quality of life. Overall, Edmonton exemplifies a city that honors its historical roots while continuously evolving to meet the demands of the future. Its blend of natural beauty, cultural richness, economic vitality, and community spirit makes it a remarkable place to live, work, and explore. As it progresses, Edmonton remains committed to fostering sustainability, innovation, and inclusivity, ensuring its status as a leading Canadian metropolis for generations to come. Edmonton, often overshadowed by its more famous counterparts like Toronto and Vancouver, holds a unique and vital place in Canada's cultural landscape. This city, nestled in the heart of Alberta, has historically been a hub of innovation, resilience, and artistic expression, contributing significantly to shaping the cultural fabric of the nation. One of Edmonton's most notable contributions is its vibrant arts scene. The city is home to numerous theaters, galleries, and music venues that foster local talent and attract international artists. The Royal Alberta Museum and the Art Gallery of Alberta showcase diverse collections that reflect both Indigenous and immigrant narratives, emphasizing Canada's multicultural identity. These institutions serve as cultural anchors, promoting dialogue and understanding among Canada's diverse populations.